Question 3. The diagram shows a prism. Work out the volume of the prism. Again, got to read on, know what it's asking. It's asking for volume. So, what do we know about prisms? A prism, to work out the volume, so a prism is a three-dimensional shape. If we take the area of the cross-section, which is the front face, so the cross-section of this front face is that L shape there. So we take the area of the cross-section, we times it by the length, we'll get the volume. That's what we're looking for. So we're going to look at this and we're going to think, hold on a minute, it's not like any of the other questions. What do we know about an L shape like this? We usually call it a compound shape because it's made up of more than one shape. So what we can do, we can split the shape into two. You can either go this way or that way, entirely up to you. So what we do is, to work out the area of this cross-section, we brought this shape into two shapes there. So we do 9 times 2 to get the area of this shape. So 9 times 2, both in centimetres units, so it's 18 centimetres squared. The top face is 4, but it's not 7. It's not 7. The height here is 2. So the height here is what you add to 2. So the height here is what you add to 2 to make the whole height of 7. So 2 add what gives you 7? 5. So units here are going to be centimetres as well. So 4 times 5 is 20 centimetres squared. So what we're going to do, we're going to add up both areas to get the total area of the cross section. So we do 20 plus 18 and we get 38 centimetres squared. Only difference was the cross section there was an L shape. We knew it was a compound shape. We split into two shapes and we can work out the area of each one of those shapes. Add it together, we get the total area of the cross section, even though it is an L shape. What do we do now? We finally just times it by the length there to get the volume. So we've got 38 times 10, use your calculator, no problem, 380 centimetres cubed. Volume, so the units are going to be cubed. That's your answer. 4 marks for that question.